So next up, guys, got a nice international tractor. So this is a international 1086. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360-degree view, but a two-wheel drive tractor, guys. It does come with all the 3-point arms and everything. He just took them off. He just had it hooked up to a TMR wagon. So he took those off, but it will sell with those arms. You know, tractor, guys, really in pretty dang nice shape. It's showing right around 8,000 hours, but I think he unhooked that just because it drains the battery. But definitely one that for the vintage is real straight, starts up, runs good. Seen real light use. He's owned it for 7-8 years. So I'm here with Bo. He'll fire it up. Give you a nice demo. So it's right up there, guys. And it is a real cold day. 25 degrees or so. Revs up good and strong there, guys. You got 2 auxiliary hookup spots there on the back. You got PTO, 540 and a 1000. And like I said, he pretty much used it to pull a TMR wagon, feeding cows. Used it to rake hay a couple times, but other than that, it's just been a really good, honest, nice running tractor for him. So we'll do a separate video, just check flow by, but real good running tractor, guys. From auction time, an old 20 auction.